If your child understands Urdu but doesn't speak it, I want you to know you are not alone. I'm Momina Batool, an online Urdu teacher for the children living abroad. I have seen in my practice that children understand Urdu when their parents or grandparents are talking to them, but when their turn to reply, they switch to the English. That's why I believe that don't pressure them for a perfect Urdu. I start with the daily sentences and words, and conversation, and gentle practice. Because Urdu is not a language, it's a connectivity with the family and heritage. If you want to learn Urdu, message me Urdu